for this press conference. We have amongst us today our chairman, Sri Krishna Pokade, our vice principal, Ms. Rashmi Redkar, and the coordinator of the next steering committee and head of BBA department, Mr. Jivan Kedekar. We are very pleased to announce that the National Assessment and Accreditation Council, which is located at Bangalore, has assessed and accredited our college for the 4th cycle, and we have been awarded A grade and a score of 3.15 out of 4. Now we are among 64 colleges in India which have been awarded A grade in the 4th cycle. There are 40,000 plus colleges, and till today only 64 colleges have undergone the accreditation for the 4th cycle. This accreditation is carried out based on 7 criteria, which includes curricular aspects, teaching, learning, evaluation
is given for this particular grade, and that is how it becomes very, very important to the students. So it is not only standard education, it is quality education. Why? Because the NAC also during their assessment looks at beyond whatever has been specified by the university, what extra things have been provided to the students by the college. For example, the college provides certificate courses to the student, add-on or certificate courses to the students, which are actually not mandatory as a part of the university curriculum. So that's where what is that extra help provided to the students is looked at, whereby which helps the students to grow, and that's where the NAC grade plays a very, very important role for the students.
Then the 2 programs, MSc Pharmaceutical Chemistry and MSc Environmental Science, which we have started. Again, these are the programs, especially MSc Environmental Science is the program which is there only in our college, and no other college in Goa has that program. Even the university does not have, and very few colleges and universities have this program. So peer team said that this is another important aspect of this college, and the highlight of this program is that when the students are in the 2nd year, that is in the 4th semester, most of them, those who want the jobs, they are provided jobs. And environmental science was the need of the hour. That program was needed. So we started this program from this year. So currently this program is there only in our college, and university also is running from this year as well. So our college becomes the first college to start this program. The work that is done by the college in the community has been also praised by the peer team. There is a program of Ministry of Human Resource Development, Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, which was launched in 2018, and in the first round, the Government of India has selected 338 colleges, and ours was the one college from North Goa which has been selected. And till then, we have been conducting various programs in 5 adopted villages. That is 4 are located in Pedne Taluka near Mopa Airport. That is Kasarode, Sandel, Asafur, and Harar, and 1 in Asagaon. Various programs have been conducted. Besides that, we are also very conscious about waste management, and we have set up our own sewage treatment plant. Now again, ours is the only college which is having this STP or sewage treatment plant. We are popularizing solar energies everywhere. Our students, they undertake. Our result has been 85% average during the last 5 years, and during the last 5 years our college has secured 3 ranks, 1 in MSc Pharmaceutical Chemistry, 1 in MCom, and 1 in BSc level. So this also has been noted in the report that is submitted by the NEC peer team. So overall, this has been a very good achievement for the college, especially considering that only 64 colleges all over India In sports and cultural activities, our students have won several awards and at state level, university level, national as well as international level. During the last 5 years, 8 of our NCC students have represented Goa State for the Republic Day parade. And 2 years back, our cadet Keshav Kumar Thakur was the commandant of the Navy platoon at the Rajpath. He commanded the entire Navy platoon of the country. In its report, highlighted the modern laboratories which are there in the college, the solar power. In fact, we are the only college currently in the state of Goa which is generating its own solar power. They said that our Gymkhana is very well equipped and we have a very spacious and playground on which there are facilities for different types of sports. The peer team also highlighted ICT enabled classrooms. In fact, we have 41 classrooms which are all fitted with LCD projector, some with sound system, and there are 5 classrooms with smart boards. Of course, one smart board is here. We have for this press conference we have brought. The peer team also appreciated our placement and progression. In fact, placement and progression taken together, it is about 43%. That means 43% of our students, they either are provided job when they are in the college in the final year, or some of them they go for higher studies. Then, in the courses which do not have internship, we have initiated this process of placing the students for internship, and that fact also is noted by the peer team. We have a very good facility for career guidance, coaching classes for competitive exams, and skill development.
So how many more cycles are left for the college?
No, after every 5 years you have to go for the next cycle. So this accreditation is for 5 years. Once you are in the 4th year, you have to apply for the next cycle of accreditation.